Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It depends from where you are watching me right now. I'm saying thank you. Uh, Thank you so much again with your great support to me. I really appreciate it. So today I'm here to react on another music video from Ethiopia, and this music is so nice, culture music. It's from Amhara side, and be sure to all Ethiopians. So the title is Fikr Fikirte Kasas Hun. Oh my God, I don't know if I pronounce it well. Kele Kele. I don't know, man. The pronunciation is somehow, but please, I don't. I know pronounce it well, but her music is so nice, it's so good. Yeah, like it's in the year, like 1 year or 2 years ago, I read to her music, like her live performance on Fano's, like Fano gathering like this, and she performed. I believe that she's Fano, yo. So I think that's her only song that I do react on it. She performed on Fano's. Oh, I don't know if I made a mistake, maybe, or is someone resemble her, but please forgive me if I don't get it right. So let's listen to music and respecting it. It's a culture, Ethiopia. Amhara cultural music. Loving it. Let's go. Injera. I love this instrumental in the background. Kukuru, 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 kukuru. I love it. I enjoyed it, man. And they see. always love Ethiopian dance. I always enjoy the Ethiopian dance, Amhara, the kind of Eskista, Wolo, and which one? I forgot. I think it's like 3. But the popular one I know is 2, the Eskista and Wolo. And this is the best dance that I know I can demonstrate to you guys. You don't want to chest in just and the Wolo, they do something like this. I know. I forget some dancing, but this I love it. Wow, I don't understand. She's not just name, like she's mentioning name one by one. Oh, she did rap more. She did rap more. Oh my God, I rap. Please guys, I want to understand. She is calling him, oh, just this again, because I see she call and then let's separate everybody. Like, we do this kind of play, So when they come following you, you will be the catcher. I don't. Okay, please in the comment section below anything you know about it. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for great support. I really appreciate it, and I really enjoying it. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and